Hello guys, you are welcome to Your Security. Kali Linux is now updated to 2024.2 and this new update has new features and also has new built-in tools. So today I want to take you through step by step how to get your new updated Kali Linux 2024.2 running in your VMware. So first we visit the kali.org, that's the official site for Kali Linux. Then we head on to click on the download. When it opens up, we want to install inside our virtual machine. So we click on the virtual machine. But before doing that, I want us to take a look at the block. I want us to take a look at the block and some new features in Kali Linux. So you can see it's newly released 2024.2 and it has a new display, and I want us to take a look at some of the newly built-in tools. So they have some awesome newly tools added to Kali Linux now. So by no wasting time, let me go back to our installation. So first we click on the virtual machine and we head on to click I want to install inside VMware, and I want to use 64-bit, so I will install this one. I'll click on its download and the download will start very soon. Here you can see the download has started, but for this video I have already downloaded it. So if you have not downloaded it, you can wait till it finishes downloading, but I've already downloaded it for this video. I'll end it and now I'll minimize it, and we are going to install it inside our VMware. So if you have not watched how to get the new VMware Pro for free, you can see my other videos. I've made a video for getting the new VMware Pro for free. So this is my VMware and this is my Kali, my newly downloaded Kali. So first of all, I'll right click and extract it. I'll extract my Kali files, and when I extract my Kali files, I will now finally get these files. I'll now get the extracted file here. So let me end this one also. I'll open my VMware and I'll go to open my virtual machine. I'll head on to the download where my Kali is downloaded. I'll click on it, and I click on it, then click on open to open my Kali. And now my Kali is open in my VMware. I want to make some editing on my machine, so I'll come to edit virtual machine. I'll add some of, the processor is okay, the hard drive is okay, it's okay not. I'll change the USB to USB 3.1 and I'll add some of the RAM to 8 GB. Then I'll click on OK. Then now head on to play virtual machine and my Kali. Wait for my Kali to get started. And now Kali is ready to use, and the default password for Kali, for new Kali installed, is Kali, and the password is also Kali. Click on enter and you can see my Kali is now up and running. Everything looks good here. Let me check. remember the password is Kali. You can see my Kali is running and everything is okay. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video interesting, please you can like it and subscribe to it and click on the notification button. Anytime I post a video, you can get a notification to come and watch. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.